All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be testing a product. A company called Suma Performance emailed me and wanted to know if I wanted to try out their product on video on the channel and see what I thought about it. I told them, hell yes, I'll do it. This is the product right here. It's Suma ceramic spray, and I got two dirty vehicles that deserve to look good, and we're going to make them look good with this stuff. So, all right, so let's see how it does. Ooh, she is dirty. I guess we're gonna have to do something about that. Let's get this truck washed. Man, filthy. While we're at it, we'll wash that one too. Look at that bad girl. My goodness, she looks good. Let's take you around and show you the truck. Most of you guys that are subscribed to this channel know this truck and know that it's not perfect. But my goodness, that looks really good. Well, except for the spot that's right above the wheel well. I mean, it ain't all the way perfect. That is a little bit of rust I gotta fix. And my wife's whiskey dent. But yeah, this truck looks really, really good. Oh yeah. Okay, so one down, one to go. This one is about 6 years newer than the truck, so I'm expecting really good things out of this. This isn't just a white car. I mean, it looks like a plain white car on camera, but it's actually white pearl metallic, and that ceramic coat should really make this thing really pop. So we'll have to see. This thing is filthy, so we're going to have to give it a wash, and then we'll put that ceramic coat on there and see how it does. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so now that we washed it, we're going to apply the ceramic coat, and we're going to do it the same way we did it with the truck. I'm going to apply it to one side of the car, and I'll bring it back after it's done and show you the results of it. I'm kind of working against the heat here, so it is what it is. So anyway, remember from the other one, 1 to 2 sprays on the panel. Spraying it on the glass, plastic, and everything, all surfaces. Alright, so when I get this thing done, I'll bring it back and show you the result. Alright, this car turned out really, really good. Not that I didn't expect it to, but it turned out really, really good. This car is, I don't know, it's a really good car, and it deserves to look good. But yeah, that looks really great. I like it. That's really, really good. All right, I think the results kind of speak for themselves. These two cars look great. I love it. They really do. That ceramic coat really does work. As I said in the first part of the video, Suma says that it'll last 6 months, and they recommend that you reapply the ceramic coat every 3 months. And they say it repels dirt. Me living in the Mojave Desert, I'm real interested in seeing how well that's gonna work out, because there's a lot of dirt flying around here. Yeah, I think it's a really great product so far. I think in 3 months, when I reapply it, we'll see how it stood up in a 3-month period. All right, so I guess that's about it for this one. The links to their Instagram and their YouTube and their website will be in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time.